watching a 5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, ambience, attractions, and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews on rating numbers online that are given to guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.1, which is the superb. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and uses, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Category 4th. Room category 5th. Room category 6th. Room category 7th. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 7 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is first class and guests will enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time in this hotel is 3 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various convenience and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For more details, check description below. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video.